The LSR database is a searchable archive of local storm reports issued by the National Weather Service. You can search the database by date or by location. To use the date search, select a date, then click Submit. Storm reports are color-coded by event type. You can toggle the event type shown on the map by clicking the checkbox next to a type's name. Click any report to view some basic information, and click the More Details link to view the full report, including the time, location, and remarks from the National Weather Service. This page is also integrated with other weather data, so you can view radar and satellite imagery from the time of the event, as well as precipitation data and temperature data from nearby weather stations. If you're viewing the map for today's date, the page will update every few minutes to show whether any new reports have been issued. You can also click the Refresh button to manually check for new reports. If there are any, click the blue box and the page will reload. Our office receives and processes new reports every 10 minutes. Now, let's walk through the location search using an example. Imagine a recent hailstorm left your car looking more like a golf ball, and you need storm reports for insurance purposes. First, select your location. Click Alternate Locations, then enter your address or city and state. Then click Advanced Options. Let's look at dates over a 2-day period when your hail damage occurred. Then, let's look at only thunderstorm hazards and storm damage reports. Finally, click Submit. The search returned 8 events within 5 miles of your location. Sort by distance to view the closest events first. Then click the closest event, which was less than a mile from your location. Click More Details. At just after midnight on April 1st, a trained spotter observed hail 1 inch in diameter and relayed that report to the National Weather Service in Raleigh. A check of the national radar at the time shows the storm cell in question that seemed to be targeting your car.
The LSR database is similar to another product on our website, the SPC Storm Reports map. However, there are some key differences. The main difference is that the LSR database is updated with new events every 10 minutes, while the SPC map is only updated once per year after the National Weather Service reviews the reports it receives. Also, the SPC map only includes tornado, hail, and wind events, while the LSR database includes these event types, as well as flooding, snow, and storm damage reports, just to name a few. Finally, the SPC map has an archive stretching back to 1950, so it's best suited for historical analysis. And while the LSR database only goes through 2001, since it updates every day, it's designed to view more recent events.
If you have any questions or comments, please contact the State Climate Office of North Carolina.